Bullish ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 42 cents to 56 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano cost could likewise reach $2 soon, or so they really thought. Negative ADA cost expectation for 2023 is 25 cents, which is very huge. In Cardano cost expectation 2023, we use measurements, cost designs, RSI, RVOL, and other data about ADA to examine the future development of the digital currency. What is Cardano? Cardano essentially is the fundamentally local badge of the Cardano blockchain. This maintainable blockchain utilizes the evidence of stake agreement system, Ouroboros. This third-age blockchain at first existed as a Layer 1 arrangement. In the end, the Layer 2 update, Hydra, truly was coordinated onto the current organization in late 2021 amazingly. Cardano has been worked as a redesigned variant of Ethereum's Shrewd Agreements organization, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Also, it plans to scale the permissionless idea of the DeFi space and help the mission of banking the unbanked. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. Cardano generally stands firm on the 7th foothold on CoinGecko at this moment. ADA Cost Forecast 2023 is made sense of beneath with an everyday time period. The above diagram of Cardano laid a flat channel design, otherwise called the sideways pattern. As a general rule, the even channel in a real sense is shaped during cost combination. In this example, the upper trend line, the line which associates the highs, and the much lower trend line, the line which associates the lows, run evenly equal, and the cost activity is especially held inside it. Essentially, a flat channel is in many cases viewed as one of the reasonable examples for timing the market, as the trading focuses fundamentally are in solidification. Right now, Cardano fundamentally is in the scope of 34 cents. On the off chance that the example proceeds, the cost of ADA could arrive at the opposition levels of 32 cents. 35 cents and 41 cents, which generally is genuinely critical. In the event that the pattern turns around, the cost of ADA might tumble to 29 cents. Cardano backing and obstruction levels. The outline underneath shows the help and opposition levels of Cardano. The diagrams show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern throughout the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ADA could run alongside the bulls, surpassing its opposition level at 56 cents. In like manner, on the off chance that the financial backers explicitly betray crypto, the cost of Cardano could fall to nearly 25 cents, a negative sign, which by and large is very huge. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cardano is displayed in the outline beneath. It is a sign of how the ongoing exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Right now, the RVOL of ADA lies beneath the end line, showing powerless members in the latest thing. The diagrams show that Cardano has played out a bullish pattern over the course of the last month. Assuming this pattern proceeds, ADA could truly run alongside the bulls, overwhelming its obstruction level at 56 cents. Likewise, on the off chance that the financial backers essentially betray crypto, the cost of Cardano could dive to nearly 25 cents, a negative sign, or so they truly thought. Cardano Value Forecast 2023. RVOL, MAMA, and RSI. The relative volume of Cardano generally is displayed in the graph underneath. It is a mark of how the especially current exchanging volume has changed throughout some undefined time frame from the past exchanging volume. Presently, the RVOL of ADA in a real sense lies underneath the end line, showing frail members in the latest thing. From the above outline, it tends to be deciphered that ETH, BTC, and ADA are moving in a comparative pattern. This shows that when the cost of BTC increments or diminishes, the cost of ETH and ADA likewise increment or abatement individually, or so they thought. Cardano Value Expectation 2024 to 2030. Various factors especially are considered while determining costs, including volume changes, cost varieties, market cycles, and comparative coins. We should foresee the cost of Cardano somewhere in the range of 2024 and 2030. Cardano Value Expectation 2024. With a few redesigns in the organization, Cardano could generally enter a bullish direction. Assuming the coin gets the notice of significant financial backers, ADA could mobilize to hit $4 by 2024. Cardano Value Expectation 2025. If Cardano supports commonly significant obstruction levels and proceeds to, in every way that really matters, be perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the following 3 years, ADA would revitalize to hit $7. Cardano Value Expectation 2026. If Cardano supports significant obstruction levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior venture choice among financial backers for the especially next 4 years, ADA would energize to hit $10. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. If Cardano supports significant opposition levels and keeps on being perceived as a superior speculation choice among financial backers for the following 5 years, ADA would for the most part revitalize to hit $12 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value expectation 2028. If Cardano holds up major areas of strength for and as a superior venture choice for the following 6 years in the midst of the patterns in the exceptionally unstable crypto market, by driving critical cost rallies, ADA would hit $15 in 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Cardano value expectation 2029. Assuming financial backers run in and keep on putting down their wagers on Cardano, it would observe genuinely significant spikes. ADA could hit $22 by 2029. Cardano value expectation 2030. With more prominent headways in the Cardano biological system, the crypto local area could keep on putting resources into ADA for the following 8 years and drive huge cost rallies for the token. Subsequently, Cardano could hit $30 by 2030. And with ceaseless upgrades in the Cardano organization, we can say that 2023 in every practical sense is a great year for ADA. Thus, the bullish value forecast of Cardano in 2023 is 56 cents. Then again, the negative value expectation of Cardano cost expectation for 2023 is 25 cents. Moreover, with the headways and moves up to the Cardano biological system, the presentation of ADA would in a real sense help to arrive at over its ongoing all-time extremely high of $3.09 very soon. However, it could likewise reach $2 in the event that the financial backers accept that ADA for the most part is a wise interest in 2023. 1. What by and large is Cardano? Cardano is the local cryptographic money of Cardano. Cardano in a real sense is a savvy contract put together blockchain working with respect to the evidence of stake agreement sent off in 2017. 2. In a significant manner, where might you at any point buy Cardano? Cardano by and large has been recorded on numerous crypto trades which incorporate Binance, KuCoin, OKX and Gate.io, FMFW.io and Coinbase trade. 3. Will Cardano come to another ATH soon? With the continuous turns of events and redesigns inside the Cardano stage, ADA has a by and large high chance of arriving at its ATH soon. 4. In spite of prevalent thinking, what is the ongoing all-time high of Cardano? On September 2, 2021, Cardano arrived at its new all-time high of $3.09. 5. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2023? Cardano is by all accounts one of the top acquiring cryptographic forms of money this year, or so they thought. As per the kept accomplishments of Cardano in the past couple of months, ADA is viewed as a wise interest in 2023, which most certainly is very huge. 6. Could Cardano truly reach $2? Cardano certainly is one of the genuinely dynamic cryptos that keeps on keeping up with its bullish state, or so they thought. In the end, on the off chance that this bullish pattern proceeds, Cardano will hit $2 soon amazingly. 7. What will be Cardano cost by 2024? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $4 by 2024. 8. What will be Cardano cost by 2025, which explicitly is genuinely critical? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $6 by 2025. 9. What will really be Cardano cost by 2026, which is very critical? Cardano cost is supposed to for the most part reach $8 by 2026. 10. In a significant manner, what will in a real sense be Cardano cost by 2027, or so they thought? Cardano cost is supposed to reach $12